Want a powerful Canva poster design that screams India? Watch this magic unfold in seconds. First, open Canva and create a custom canvas. I'm using 1000 by 1500 pixels. Now, place a rectangle at the center and add the text India using League Spartan in bold white. Resize each letter individually, stretch it out, and position it towards the right for a bold visual effect. Next, add rectangles from elements to fill the shapes inside the letters. Especially the I and A to complete the structure. Download the design, add a new page, paste it, and remove the background. Go to Edit, do a tone, Custom, and change both colors to white for a clean cutout look. Then apply a glow shadow, reducing size and blur to make the text pop. Search for a beautiful India-themed photo. Place it behind your lettering, adjust the crop, and blend it perfectly. Finally, add the Indian flag at the center and your stunning India poster is ready. Save this, try it in Canva, and tag me when you design your India poster. Follow for more Canva poster design ideas.